Holy Ghost, come and take control. Yeah. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
I am pastor.
Okay, I'm John Bosco.
Okay. Please, I bring the good news for you. Do you know who is Jesus?
No, Pastor, I'm a new tenant here, so go inside and ask other neighbors. They might know him.
I mean,
Go inside, don't disturb me. I don't know who is Jesus. Go inside, I don't know where he's living.
the person that created me and you.
Pastor, I don't know him. Follow this side, enter. Go and ask other neighbors, they know where he's staying.
Yeah,